Sometimes students don't really think about the impact their words have on each other.
I wanted them to walk in and see social change. We want to be out there shining light in some dark places.
The Chalkboard project has really helped many students let them know that they are not alone in this and that everyone carries a word with them.
There is so much pain and so much difficulty that kids have. This is by far the most powerful thing I've ever seen.
I think to tell the whole story, I probably have to go all the way back to the fact that I was raised by an educator that taught me growing up that really great teachers go to great lengths to do whatever their students need to feel valued, to feel appreciated, to feel like they're gonna just be the best possible version of themselves.
Mrs. Gwinnett came to me and asked me to get on board with the Chalkboard project. She knows that I have had some personal issues with hurtful words, so she reached out to me to help make a difference and make other people feel comfortable sharing their story and making them aware of their hurtful words.
There are so many more needs than just math and English in a public school. There are kids that need support, and we have to be able to support them outside of their academic day, more so than we ever have.
We wanted to take on this tone of what can we do to educate the whole child? What can we do to really take a look at what kids need in addition to academics, like character building, mental health, phone usage, and all kinds of things that aren't necessarily curriculum pieces that we teach. So that was the perfect time for me to take this idea and make it happen. I started to see a lot of common threads about how students feel, how they have experiences that are all kind of the same, but I think they're really craving in general like some more authentic experiences, more conversations that are genuine.
For the most part at Spring Lake, we have a great culture and the students try their best to be nice with each other. But I also know that sometimes students don't really think about the impact their words have on each other.
But from this, we've seen more students recognize that their words did hurt someone. So the project itself is changing lives and it is impacting students in a very positive way.
I've always really encouraged the staff to participate as well. I think it is valuable for students to see vulnerability in the people they encounter on a daily basis are also still carrying around some of those words and having those similar experiences. And I think it's been amazing to see the teachers get positive feedback from students. It's modeling empathy and it's modeling that it's okay to be vulnerable. I think that's really important.
I think just knowing that everybody's in it together and that everybody goes through these same experiences was really powerful.
It's our responsibility to have these types of programs to increase empathy, to support students in need, and not just their academic needs, but all of their needs on a day-to-day basis.